One just there, more boys like that. Why do you want to get yourself you want to say?
About when you have boys, any man as you mean, Papa, now they come up. It is a see, I want him up in my pay. How do you quit? That pine, over having another coach. That dinner gets you, Wawa.
Since you have so many cars in this house, why don't you give us one?
Miracle phone. Accra. In a Kumasi. That's my store. Accra. In a Kumasi.
She's a woman, she doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful.
Mr. Bob, what is wrong with you? And what is all this? Why can't you understand? I've told you I'm not in love with you. I cannot love you and I'll never love you.
Why? You don't seem to understand this thing that I feel deep down inside. I mean, you just cannot fathom my love for you. It's just nothing ordinary.
Well, however you want to call it. The point is I'm not interested in you. How can I marry a man who already has a wife? How?
Where lies the problem here? Polygamy has always been an integral part of our tradition. It's always been part of our culture. I mean, polygamy has always been with men. Or have you lost touch with history?
Well, that was then. Okay, that was then. Besides, I don't live under the influence of tradition. I'm a Christian and I have Christian principles to abide by. And my Bible tells me that a man is entitled to just one wife. So you see why I can't marry you?
Really?
Yes.
Then how about Solomon and all the others God interacted with? God worked with who had hundreds of wives. What's God going to do with that?
Well, that is between God and them. As for me, I want a man for myself only. Okay? So will you please just stop harassing me?
Bad thing to marry my daughter, but first she must accept your proposal before I give you my consent.
Yes, Ma, that's why I'm here. It is said that if you want to speak to God, talk to the wind. I'm so much in love with your daughter, and I am prepared, indeed, willing to do whatever it takes to have her for my wife.
I've heard you. You just give me some time to talk over it with her. Maybe she will find a reason to laugh.
Well, Ma, here is a token. I'm sure you could do something with it.
Thank you very much,
yes.
Mr. Bob. Thank you. I know that you are a responsible man, so I know that you will not starve my daughter to death when you get married to her. Thank you.
For a dead certainty, Ma, your daughter will not starve. Yeah. That much I can assure you.
Okay. Everything will be alright. I will talk to her. Thank you.
She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires.
Yes?
Hello, my honey. How are you?
What did you just call me?
Why, honey, of course. Are you not sweet enough to be my honey?
Are you okay? I mean, is everything alright with you? Huh? How old are you?
Forget about my age. Yes, I'm hitting 50, but that doesn't mean I can't make you happy. Believe me.
It is your mother that you should go and make happy and not me. Look, Do you have any idea how much I hate you? Huh? Do you have any idea how much I hate you? Huh? I hate you so much. I hate you just as much as I hate the devil. You womanizer idiot.
Bob. One very good day, my time will come, and she will know that I am Bob. Bob, oh Bob. Hello, my angel. Good morning. How are you doing?
Bob, or whatever you call yourself. Why are you embarrassing me like this, huh? Why are you embarrassing me like this? Why, am I the only woman in this Ghana?
Yes. You are the only one I have chosen from among the rest. That's why.
Well, you should have thought about that before getting married.
Makes no difference. See, this thing called love, that is what it all matters.
Well, thanks for all the nice things you said about me. But as said now, I am very busy, and this place is a shop bar, not an inn for lovers, okay? So I really would appreciate if you leave.
Yeah, I understand. Maybe I should wait until you get less busy. We need to talk one-on-one.
You still don't get it, right? Okay. You said I'm coming.
Yeah, thanks. I'll just handle it.
Go! Get away from here!
What is this?
Go! What's in your car? I never come back here again. Nonsense.
What you did was very bad if you don't know. Huh? You are a woman and you must know how to treat a man even if you are not a lover.
Well, how do you expect me to treat him? Huh? How else do you expect me to treat him when every time he goes around embarrassing me? Yes.
Is that an excuse to pour water on his face? Apia, is that an excuse?
Well, the same way persuasion fails, you have to use force. So if that man will not let me be, I'll have to let myself be. Yes.
If you don't know, let me tell you. Every man has got some sense of freaking on a woman who takes him for granted. So just be very careful.
I think you should be the one who should be careful, You should be the one who should be careful since you're the one who has spent much of his money. Yes.
Hey, Apia!
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires.
Good morning. How are you doing?
You again.
Yes. No, don't you worry. I can understand why you did what you did. And I have forgiven you from the bottom of my heart. As the good book says, that thing called love covers a whole multitude of sins.
Are you sick? Huh? Are you okay? Is everything alright with you? I mean, your behavior. You act like you're going crazy or something. You know, I think you should check with a psychiatrist.
Exactly. You are right. Everyone in love is sick at the time. It is that overwhelming power of love. And guess what? I am in love with you. I am just crazy about you.
You know, I think you should check this overwhelming power that has enslaved you, you know, before you end up in a mental hospital or something. I don't even know why I'm sitting here wasting my time talking to a madman like you. Stand there, idiot.
My.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants.
Mr. Bob, I'm sorry you had to go through all this. I've done everything within my power to convince my daughter, but she won't listen.
Yeah. Isn't there anything else that can be done?
Nothing. I mean nothing. You see, I can force the horse to the riverside, but I can't force it to drink the water. If you weren't married, it would have been a different thing altogether. Mr. Bob, my daughter has decided not to go out with a married man, so I can't do anything with it.
Yeah. I'm disappointed though. Well, thanks all the same.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love.
Well, good afternoon.
Oh, fine afternoon. How are you?
Well, we managed it by His grace. Okay, thank you. I won't keep that long. I just came to buy some food. As you know, I like its good taste, especially if it is prepared by someone who makes my heart beat.
Hey, Mr. Bob, you will kill me. Appiah, have you heard it? Please have me.
Serve me. I will do no such thing.
Why, Appiah? Why? This is a job I meant to serve people from all walks of life. Why have you refused to serve him? Huh? Why? A customer in question here is a family friend. Why have you refused, Appiah? Why?
Is this the only chopper in town? Huh? Is this the only chopper in town, especially for a man of his caliber? He's married. Tell him to go home to his wife and cook for him. The only reason why he's here is just to get closer to me, that's all.
Appiah, so you are trying to tell me that you will not go and serve him?
I won't serve him, so please, Mama, tell him to leave.
You won't serve him?
No.
Hey!
You are still sitting here. Didn't I ask you to leave? My friend, leave! Why you say, oh, you want me to pour water on you again, eh? Is that what you want me to do?
Hey, Appiah!
I'm asking you to leave! Leave! Appiah! Leave! Now, look at this man. Mama, please, next time, don't explain this man here again, no.
Hi, Charles.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
I'm fine. How was the night? Good?
Yeah.
Fine. What do we want to have? Milo, tea, coffee? Oh, sorry. That's okay. Here you are. Such a beautiful morning. For how long are you going to remain single?
Mommy, until I meet my kind of woman. I cannot tell how long.
So you mean you don't know the kind of woman you want? Charles, listen, take a good look at yourself. You realize you are not growing any younger. Let me tell you this. Just pick a woman and make her your own. It's as simple as that, right?
Mommy, it's not simple. Yes, it's not simple. Because getting a girlfriend is different from getting a wife. You have to make a good choice.
Charles, I understand you need to make the right choice. But have you made any attempt at all? You haven't. Charles, listen to me. You can't sit here and expect God to throw a woman at your face. No, my son.
Don't worry, Mommy.
It's not a matter of don't worry. That is not it.
Oh, Mommy. My time is up.
Alright.
So, have a nice day.
You
Stay
too.
blessed.
Take good care of yourself.
All right.
And please think about what I just told you, right? Bye. The son of mine with his bread going out of the house. Oh my God.
It's a good plan. Who is the architect?
It's one Chinese man, Chung Dong Yong. In fact, his reputation is very, very good. He has built several of our shopping malls and office buildings.
I see. But what about the place? Have you gotten a good place yet?
That reminds me. There is this plot about 3 miles away from here, and I can bet you the site is very, very terrific. I know you love the place when you see it.
When can we go to see it? I want you to start work straight away. I mean, get the project going, you know.
As soon as you're ready, I'll just take it.
Okay. Now, you give me today. Let me get all the necessary documents in. I'll give you a call when I'm through. Right. I have a special wine. Maybe we'll get a little tipsy. You give me a minute.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the
You don't have to worry about the chef right here.
Right.
Just tell them to evacuate the place before the actual commencement of the project.
Yeah. Then we must do that very fast. Yeah.
I think you like the place.
Yes, I do. I really am in love with the place. Yeah.
Let me take you to the other side.
Okay. No problem.
was your day? It was fine. Good. It was perfect. Good. Perfect. You know, I showed him the land. And I think he's interested in it. Wow. And I can see it won't take long before we start work on it.
That is good news. Oh God, thank you. Hey!
Mommy. Hello dear. I'm very, very hungry. I hope there's food in the house this time.
Food? No. Ingredients? Yes. But there's no one to prepare it.
Mommy, what do you mean? Can't you prepare it yourself?
No, I can't. I can't prepare anything myself. Listen to me. I have decided not to encourage you any longer. If I continue washing, cooking and doing other things for you, I don't think you're ever going to get serious and get married. No. Listen to me. As from today, you either cook your own food or you bring a woman into this house. Period.
Mom, this is not fair. This is not fair. How do you expect me to go to work and come back and cook myself?
Then marry. Marry, Charles! I said bring a woman into this house. You need a wife. You surely need a wife. You need a wife. Period.
Bob, so you think by ejecting my mom and I, it will solve the problem? Is that what you think?
Look, I don't have anything against you or your mother. All I'm asking is that you leave this place so my contractor can do his work. That is all.
Mr. Bob, why are you doing this to us? You can't inject her just like that. You know this is our means of survival. Why?
Yes, I understand. But you must also reason with me that I cannot abandon a project worth billions of cedis just because of this chopper. You know it's highly impossible.
It's a lie. It's a lie. The only reason why you're trying to humiliate my mom and I is just because you think it will be a remedy to your selfish desires, that's all.
Say whatever you will, but I should really like to see you people leave this place. It is my site, and I reserve the right to do whatever I will, whatever I like on it. Charles, I am leaving. Do make sure they vacate these premises.
Mr. Bob! Mr. Bob!
I hope there is no problem.
I'm afraid there is. These boys here have been instructed to break this place down now.
How? But sir, at least you can pity us,
Woman, I'm only a contractor. I have no powers to refuse orders that has been given to me from above. Mr. Bob wants this place destroyed, and I have no option.
Bob. Sir, please don't pay any attention to Bob, The only reason why he's trying to frustrate us is just because I didn't agree to marry him, that's all.
You mean you know yourselves?
Yes, Mr. Contractor. Bob came to ask my daughter's hand in marriage, and she refused because he has already married. Mr. Contractor.
I thought he told you that, didn't he?
He hasn't told me anything. Okay. In that case, I think I have to see him, talk things over with him, and see what he will say. So, you can go ahead.
she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires.
How dare you defy my express orders? I bought the land and I paid for that site, and I made you the proud executioner of my project. Must you defy my express instructions?
You must understand, we are dealing with human beings here.
Oh, come on! How does that concern me? Are you saying that because of a common chopper, I shouldn't go ahead and build my mall, right? Is that what you are insinuating?
All I'm pleading for is to at least give them some time to live instead of ejecting them.
So you think you know better than I do?
Say, I hope you're not doing this simply because that girl has refused your marriage proposal.
Charles, who told you this?
Lady sir, she explained why she couldn't possibly accept your marriage proposals. And I think she was right. Sir, with all due respect, I think we should give them some time to live so that it wouldn't look like a revenge. Please.
A week. 1 week, not a day more.
Thank you, sir. I am very serious. From the very first time I saw you, I knew I was in love.
I hope this night gay people are trying to play on me. I've told you that I've had series of problems concerning the same issue with your boss. And I don't want to create any confusion between the two of you, especially for the fact that he's your boss.
I am an independent man. Bob is not my boss. I'm only executing a contract for him, and that is all.
Well, think so. I've heard you. But as you can see, I'm very busy. I have customers to attend to. But I'll think about it though.
I'll be expecting your reply, eh? But a very good one.
That Charles guy, I think he's very serious.
Charles,
Yeah, Charles.
is he not a friend to Bob?
I asked the same question, but he said he was only executing a job for him, that's all.
Is he not married?
Mama, you know me now. I'll never do that. That was the same issue I had with Bob. How can I marry a man who already has a wife? I'll never do that, even if he has everything in this world. I'll never do that.
Okay, just give him a chance. Maybe he is real, huh? You are not a small girl, so you can take care of yourself now.
Mama, I still have a long way to go, so you have to teach me.
Hey, you queer. I will teach you. Don't worry.
She's a woman, she doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the
know what? I really just can't imagine what harm you did to my son. Because it's like I'm trying to encourage him. But every time I say one, he says two. If I take it here, he takes it there, and...
You know, Mommy, I told you to be patient. I told you. See what the good Lord has said for me. He's giving me a very beautiful wife right at my doorsteps.
Oh, thank you, God. Oh, what a beautiful thing. My daughter, oh, come on, please. Drink for me. You are in your mother-in-law's house. You are very welcome, okay? And when you're finished drinking, we are going to have a one-on-one talk. At least I need to know who your parents are, where you come from, and those little details, okay? You're welcome. Feel comfortable, right? Oh, God.
At long last, battle has ended.
Who said so?
Hey, Mama, I said should have been there to see how this woman was treating me. My daughter eats this. My daughter drinks this. If I stand, she asked me to sit. She was just serving me the whole time. Mom, I have never been treated like a queen in my life.
How do you look at them? I mean, are they well-to-do?
Mama, well-to-do is an understatement. I said they are very, very, very rich. And on top of it, they are very, very nice. It's so nice, Mama, you can't even imagine.
Thank God you have finally found your soulmate. Now that you have found him, do all within your power to grab him. He's a handsome guy and he looks more responsible than that Bob man.
Hey, Mama! Weren't you the same person who was forcing me to marry Bob? Weren't you the same person? Look at you, look at you.
Now that you have found your own way, stick to him.
Of course, Mama, what are you talking about? I will stick to him. I'm going to cheer.
I'm happy for you.
I'm really happy for myself.
Just relax. Charles will soon be back, okay?
No, Mom, please, I insist. It's my responsibility. Please don't deny me this.
Kriya, my daughter. I realize you pushed too hard. Thank you so much. So, my daughter, how are you doing?
Very fine, thank you. How about you?
Doing good.
What is going on here?
Sir, have you seen any strange thing around?
Cut it and stop playing games with me. What are you doing at this time of the night with this girl?
You mean Kuya?
Shavit, I'm not interested in the name. I demand an explanation immediately.
Well, as you can see now, she is my fiancée. Kuya is my fiancée. And I am here for a visit.
You mad? How can you say a thing like that? Knowing how hard I've been trying to make this girl my second wife. And you do this to me?
Mr. Bob, I am very, very, very sorry you have lost her. Because she now belongs to me.
You twat! You traitor! If I'd known this was your plan, man, I'd knock down your teeth long before you knew it. Do you understand?
Look at this lunatic! Leave my friend, leave him! I can leave him!
Now you lay aside!
Ouch! Leave him! Leave him! Charles, let's go. Leave this guy. He's a mad... You know, you'd always be a mad person. Look at...
I don't want to set eyes on you again. And you better not set foot on my land.
house?
Yes, this is the place. And it belongs to you and your mother.
Wow! This is more than a miracle.
Yeah. And you know what? I rented this place for only 2 years. Before the year falls, by then I would have furnished with my new house where you two will move in and live with me.
Thank you, my son. Thank you very much.
And you know, moreover, the owner of this house owns a place in town. I have also rented that place as a restaurant for you too. So henceforth, you are not going back to that chopper.
Thank you, my son.
I hope you manage it well because I know it's going to help you.
God, we'll manage it.
And the most of it all, I'm doing this because of the love I have for you. So, can I please have a word with you?
A word with me? For what?
Baby, looking at this cane so illuminated and the back still. Has anyone ever told you how precious and beautiful you're looking?
Go ahead.
I only want to let you know that I've been your secret admirer for quite a long time now. So I'll find it more expedient if you become my lover. You know what? Look at me. I'm just a wealthy person. I own a lot of factories, buildings, offices. What of you? And as a beautiful girl like you with a nice ass and all that, can take good care of your skin. I just want to take good care of you.
God. What kind of temptation is this? Huh? What kind of temptation is this? Look at this thing. Look at this thing, oh, telling me he's in love with me. Have you taken a good look at yourself? Look. Take a very good look at me. Huh? Do I look like I'm a girl of your class? Huh? Do I look like one of these area girls?
But I was just trying.
Oh, shut up! Next time, you better have some respect. Never approach me again, okay? Why don't you go up to these tomato or orange sellers and tell them you're in love with them? Not me, idiot.
You think like a queen. What have you? Jeje girl. What's up? I'm from where? See that girl? She's just a corner sister. She doesn't have respect for the brotherhood at all. Imagine that she insulted me the other day. I should go and look for a tomato or an orange seller. A homie, the capital OT. You know something? That was you. I don't think a girl can even diss me like, you know, the girl dressed you all that time. Come on. What?
Are you a supernatural being?
What about? It's not a matter of being supernatural or whatever you so call it. It's all about the lyrics. The way you're gonna job her with your music. That's all. A girl like that girl needs a guy like me to convince her with my words. Come on.
So, Leon, so you think you have those lyrics, right?
Then more grace to your elbows. Why sometimes you act as if you don't know me? You know your guy. Have you still forgotten my name? Mr. Lewis. Have you? Come on, remember yourself.
Man, whoa.
think we should give him another chance. I think he can lay her down for us.
You know something? Just don't worry. I'm gonna do it for you. I bet you. I'm gonna do it for you and for the brother. Give me a few days. I'm gonna lay this girl on my bed. You're gonna see this girl flat on my bed. I'm gonna call you. Telephone you. This boy is just building castles in the air. Ja.
Hi.
Yes, what is it?
You know something? Just relax, and I hope there's no harm in talking to you.
Look, if you have anything better to say, you better start saying it and stop asking unnecessary questions.
You know something? By the way, I'm called Kwame, and my friends used to call me Mr. Lewis.
Then how does that concern me?
The fact is that you are very beautiful. I think there's a time for a man to find somebody whom he's gonna date, a man to find his own fresh. You see the whole thing, and I think you are the most beautiful girl in the vicinity.
So?
I just want you to be my friend.
Look, did I tell you I needed your friendship? Huh? Look, do I look like I'm a girl of your class? Huh? You have no respect, right?
No, I think we both can make, things work. I mean, we could both work things out. That's all. You can manage me.
You know, I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to an idiot like you.
Mr. Lyrics, the dreamer of the ages.
My brother. What did they happen? What did they happen? What did they happen? Come. My brother.
None of your business. I am cooking for my father.
Oh, wait a minute. I know the cook for your father. You put me for the list of my bed.
Add you to the list? Have you given me any money for me to cook for you?
If you put me on the list, how the old boy will know? You don't go fit no. Asana, you then we go school. You also we go school together. You want me to die? You want me to die? Today I went to work, the phone money didn't give me money. I went, you don't give me money. So you give me more, I beg you.
If the job is not good for you, find another. Besides, I told you I am cooking for my father. Okay.
Pastor, you know say I like you. I like your butter. But it's
Okay, go. When it's ready, I'll bring it to you in your room. Go.
okay, thank you.
Go.
How much meat you use?
Go!
Like you.
Go! Go now!
That's it. That's it for me. I can't I get Guinness sauce.
She doesn't know what she wants.
My son who go look you spready for waiting.
But she's so beautiful.
How do you know? You get a
So
money.
desirable.
Yeah, I'm the man, yeah. I'm the man.
She's the
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Strong attraction.
I don't look my legs.
That's what she inspires. She's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She's the one, the most expensive guy now. She doesn't know what she wants.
There's a problem about her. I mean, she don't feel like.
But she's so beautiful.
She just don't feel like, you know, talking to anybody.
And so desirable.
It means you guys they use the wrong method.
She's
you
the
know, organize
kind
things.
of woman
Because
that
for me,
every
like
man
you forget the
desires.
Cupid. You know that baby angel with the arrow, no? You take stroke, put the heart inside. But when he heart, that's the only way out.
That's what she makes you.
You don't know what they talk about you. You don't know the girl you're talking about. You can't even put the time left around the heart.
Waiting. What is so special about this girl? Waiting they in body we know they are woman talk. Waiting. You guys, what this brotherhood wants, this brotherhood should get. Foul or fair. I don't be so.
That's right.
For me, this girl, you know, be paying anything.
Are you sure? Nah, brother, so, brother. Just give it a try.
If you guys be fit, organize the things where they can run the things there. Why not? Because me, I just need like 1 month. I could knock them down. Not sharp. Wire everything, break and drop them. Oh yeah, everything finished.
What are those necessary logistics you are talking about?
Money. Kwacha. Kwacha the run things.
Come in. Talk to her. So how much are you going at?
Like 5 million.
5 million.
5 million money for you guys. Waiting.
But wait. But what if you fail to, after contributing this huge amount of money?
I don't go fail. Listen, if I fail, yeah, I go pay your money back. That one they sharp. But me, I never go fail. That ain't happening, niggas. I go knock out.
Whoa. You hold on. So what you're telling me now is, if I give you the money, you feel go pay this girl within 1 month.
Let me say I go just brush up. I go break down. I go drop out.
Alright. It's your deal then. You know what? You know the money no be my sweat. As Poppy they say. This got their own. No. You come find your baby cover. Me and Mama do. Baja. I for one. What do you want? Oh, you say about. I go give you. You say 1 month.
1 month.
Alright. I go get you the money. I bet you say if you feel like I go
give me the money. Little plenty. Give me the money.
Oh, that's what you think.
You believe in yourself, fool.
You live this one.
$2 too.
But still the deal though. If you fuck up, man. Alright, I'll go forget the event. I swear.
Oh, Charlie, I mean celebrate with waiting. You want my downfall?
She doesn't know what she wants, but she She's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy.
Sir, can I offer you something?
She is in love with the American boy.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Is there anything I can help you with?
My name is Major Dr. Nelly, N-E-L-L-Y. So just do it with the sir thing and just call me that. Do you understand the words coming from my mouth?
Yes.
Good.
So, like I said, can I offer you anything?
Sure. But right now, I don't think I have a choice. No menu.
Oh. Can I get
She's the kind of woman that every man
Thanks.
desires.
What have we got here?
Strong attraction,
You're not just gonna stand there, are you?
that's what she inspires.
You're not a soldier, he's a soldier.
She is in love with the American boy.
Nah.
Are you sure? We have so many things.
Positive. There is nothing here I can possibly eat. You see, back in the States, US Marines are not supposed to eat such heavy food. It's not good for you. It makes you really sluggish in identifying potential enemies, so we don't do that.
Okay. So, is there any other thing we can give you, like, to substitute?
Not at all. Nothing. But, I mean, this is a very nice place. I like here. And you're a nice person. So I would just settle for the rice and chicken. That should do.
Oh, okay.
And get me a bottle of rosé wine.
I don't think we have that.
You don't? Okay, get me Santace wine. Nope. Okay, come de come. Nope.
Sorry.
Okay, never mind. Just get me your best wine.
But our best wines are usually very expensive.
Expensive? You're looking at a US Marine Major. I can afford to buy this whole place right now. I mean, I can pay for all the drinks on your counter. I have money to spend. I have dollars, alright? Just give me the wine.
Okay.
And the best wine. Good. Possible for my government, sir! Absolutely, sir! Thank you, sir. Excuse me, young lady. When's my food going to be ready? I have an order from my president. Hurry up about it. Ha! 1, 2, 3. Ha! 1, 2, 3. Ha! 1, 2, 3. She's so There you go. Bring it up. I hope it tastes delicious. Thank you. Yeah, that's the one? Excellent. This food looks delicious. Yeah, I hope so too. Tastes good.
You know, can
Yeah, take it over there. You gonna join me? Have a seat.
Sure. So tell me, how's America like? The people, tell me about America. I mean, tell me about the people, about the food, the clothes, everything. The life there.
I think the States is a beautiful place. The people are really nice, beautiful people. The food is fantastic. Oh, and for me it's just wow. Do you understand wow?
Yeah.
Good. I didn't catch your name.
Oh, my name is APPIAH.
I know that name. I know the name, Ekuya.
APPIAH. Don't worry, I know you Americans, you have difficulties in pronouncing our local names. It's alright, I forgive you.
Your food is delicious,
Thank
Ekuya.
APPIAH.
Okay, I'm sure I'll catch it, never mind. I'm just gonna finish my meal. Okay? And I think you're a beautiful lady, a really nice lady.
Oh.
Yeah, and I'd love to be your friend.
Thank you. I'll leave you to enjoy your meal and please don't hesitate to call whenever you need anything.
Okay, thanks. I won't hesitate. Excuse me. Can I have my bill, please? Thanks. Okay. I would really love to meet you again, you know.
Sure.
How much is that again? Alright, I got it. I don't really have small notes here, but there you go.
Sir, but this is American dollars. We don't change that here.
I know. Dollars, right? Like what we say back in the US, keep the change.
Okay.
Okay, Ekuya. I hope to see you around. Okay?
Excuse me. Can I get your number?
No. I think that's a very, very bad idea because intelligent reasons, security reasons, I just can't do that, but... Oh, what the heck? You have a pen? I'll give it to you. Grab one. I gotta go.
Oh, just a second.
Okay, let me just do a quick thing. But don't tell anybody I give you my number, because it's not safe. Okay, there you go. And I hope you call me around.
I will.
Soon. Okay. Good day.
She's a woman. She doesn't
Mission is near completion. Preparation for extermination. What's it? The girl falls. So what's it? We don't get you.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants. She's so beautiful.
Yes. There is power
and so desirable.
Hey. There is power
She's the kind of
than any ordinary anchors. They go in 4 flats. You fall just like that. Oh, you fall for grand. You fall for me. I didn't think I believe you. Huh? You guys gonna believe me? You go down. The girl you see. Yeah, you go. So, no, make you don't sweat. Sit down, let me play game. You go call. You go call me. You can flex you here. If you don't go there.
She's a woman.
If the girl don't go, she will come.
Every man desires strong attraction. That's what she inspires.
Hi, have a seat. How you doing? Good, how are you? I'm alright. I'll give you a girl. So, what's poppin'? This guy just walked out of here. Oh my god, he's so fine. He was just pouring slangs on me. He says he's an American soldier.
American soldier?
Yes, he was here with his personal assistant and he was wearing this gorgeous camouflage, looking all healthy and so fine, you know. He bought a plate of fried rice, ordered for the best, the most expensive drink we have out here, and on top of it, he dashed me $100 American.
What? Is he in love with you or something?
I don't know, but I'm so sure he is. You know, his eyes were so passionate. Oh, I so wanted to kiss him.
Baby girl, you've hit the jackpot. You better make sure you don't let this one slip away. He's a solid man.
What are you talking about me? Let Nelly slip away. Hey, God forbid.
Did I hear you say he came with an assistant soldier?
You know what? I'm so sure that he has so many of his friends with him right now. And through him, I can get you connected. How about that? Don't worry, girl. I have him. Please keep him up. I think I should call him right now. He gave me his number. You should.
Strong attraction. That's what she inspires. But she's
Relax.
So you boy, you made this small boy.
How you show the message with the number? Relax. How you show the message the number? If you the girl, make it for me. You go call you.
It's okay, try it. Just keep trying. Keep trying. I want my share. Keep trying.
Could it be that he gave me a wrong number?
Keep trying.
Hello?
Hi. Who's on the line?
Hi, this is Ikea.
Is this Dr. Major Nelly?
Yes. This is Dr. Major.
Hi. This is Ikea, the girl you met at the restaurant this afternoon.
Like a couple of hours ago, I promised I'll do it for you.
Oh, Cinderella. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you now?
I'm in America.
I'm in the American embassy in Accra.
You know, I got a package over the weekend from General Colin Power.
So I have to just dash down in Accra, to pick it up.
Intelligence stuff, you know?
But how? You were
just here a couple of hours ago.
I don't understand.
They sent me a private jet.
Yeah, to pick me up. So, in a flash, I'm in the car.
You know, I'm a little busy right now. So can you please call me back in like 3 hours? But if you don't get me on the line, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna come
down to Kumasi to have
lunch with you in the afternoon. Just to have lunch with you. Do you like that?
Yes, no problem.
I love you. You know that, right?
I love you too.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires.